This is a used 2012 Ford F-250, powered by four-wheel drive, a 6.7-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 35,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include leather seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, steering wheel controls, trailer hitch, auto-dimming mirrors, dual temperature control, automatic climate control, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, an alarm system, power seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Chalmers Capital Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at Cerrillos Road, Santa Fe, New Mexico 87507.